Hello, welcome to all. Here we will determine the electric field distribution on coaxial cable based on potential that are applied on each conductor. Coaxial cables solved with XY representation. In previous lecture, we discussed representation in RZ plane, but here we discuss a XY plane. So this is your X plane, this is your Y plane, this is your inner, this is your air gap, and this is your outer. Means this is your coaxial cable conductor, this is your insulating medium, and last one is your ground wire. Okay, here we applied a potential on inner and outer, and here we also calculate the capacitance on coaxial cable. Okay, so let's start. First open ansys electronic desktop, and first step is to insert a design. Design is Maxwell 2D, and design is Maxwell 2D, and next step is set solution type. For solution type, go to Maxwell 2D, search solution type. This is your solution type, make it OK. Here our geometry mode is XY, already given in problem, and the problem is based on electrostatic. The solver is electrostatic. Geometrical mode is Cartesian XY, and solver uses electrostatic, make it OK. After that, next step is create a model. Okay, first start with inner, and here we inner created with the help of circle. To go to draw and select circle. Put the dimension of circle is x. First select the coordinate, so x0, y0 and z is 0, make it OK, and dx is 0.5, and dy by default 0, dz 0, make it OK. This is your circle 1. Go to history tree. This is your history tree, and change the property of circle 1. Go to history tree and double click on circle 1. Open the property window. Change name is inner. Name is inner. Next step is assign material. Material is copper. Search here copper. Make it OK. Assign color of copper. Okay, next create a air gap. So for create a air gap, again go to draw and select another circle. Circle dimension is x. First select the coordinate x0, y0 and z is 0, make it OK, and here dx is 0.9, dx is 0.9, x dy0 and dz is 0, make it OK. And again go to history tree, change the property of circle 1, double click on circle 1 and rename object, name is air gap. Name is air gap, and assigned material is vacuum. Okay, and change material is air. Search air in a search box and select it, and assigned color is light blue. Make it okay. Next, create object outer. For create object outer, go to draw, and select circle again. First select the coordinate of circle is x0, y0, and z is 0. Make it okay, and dx is 1.1, and dy is 0, and dz is 0. Make it okay, and change the property of third circle. Go to history tree and double click on circle 1. Change name is outer, name outer. Assign material is copper. Search copper here, and change color. I choose any random color or differentiate it. Okay, so here our model part is done here. Next step is assign excitation to the object. So first start with assign excitation to object inner. So first select inner from history tree and go to Maxwell 2D and search excitations. Assign voltage. Sign value of voltage is -1 kilovolt, and make it okay. And next step is assign excitation to object outer. So select outer from history tree and go to Maxwell 2D and search again excitation. Assign voltage value is 1 kilovolt. Make it okay. Next step is assign parameter. First assign capacitance calculation for this project. First go to Maxwell 2D and search parameter. Assign matrix. Here check voltage 1 single line and voltage 2 is ground. Make it okay. And next step is assign force computation. Select inner from history tree for force computation and go to Maxwell 2D and search parameter. Assign force. Make it okay. Next step is create an analysis setup. For create an analysis setup, go to Maxwell 2D search analysis setup, add solution setup. Here number of passes is 10 and percentage error is 0.5. Go to convergence tab. This is your convergence tab. Here refinement per path is 50% and make it okay. And the next step is check our model is ready for simulate or not. Apply validation check. For validation check, go to Maxwell 2D, search validation check. This is your validation check. Click on OK. Here all parameters are okay. Close this tab and put the design in analysis. Go to Maxwell 2D and click analyze all. Say project name is 2 P2 P2B and save. Next step is view result. For view result, go to Maxwell 2D, results, solution data. Okay, this is your capstance value. Okay, and here we calculate our capstance with the help of this formula. C equals to 2 pi epsilon ln B by A and put the value here B and A. We get the result of capstance, and after that calculate a force parameter. For force parameter, choose the force tab. Here this is your force value, and here we calculate electrostatic analysis. Close this tab and select for plot electric field vector. Select planes. Plane is global XY and go to Maxwell 2D, fields, E, vector. Done. This is your E plot.